Let me show you how we can fix the clock face on the lock screen on the Motorola Edge 70. If you, for example, don't have the clock at all, or if it's in the upper left corner, even though it should have a different clock face, then what you can do first is go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to home and lock screen, and then we're gonna go to lock screen settings. In here, you should be able to find show clock face. Of course, make sure that it is enabled. Besides that, at the top, we can tap on customize lock screen. And for example, the issue might be also related to the notification style. So if you have the list selected over here, then there might be not enough space in order to show the proper clock face, so you might want to switch to chip or bubble in order to make sure that there is always enough space for the clock face in here. And besides that, some apps might interfere with the clock face as well. So what you might need to do is you can go to apps, tap over here, see all apps, and then in the upper right corner you can search for example for Glance app. Which in my case I don't have it, but apparently, for example, for some other Edge smartphones, there is this app that can cause some issues with the clock face. So if you do have the Glance app, you might want to disable it. On the other hand, there's also the personalize app, which can also be the reason why something might not work properly, including the clock face. So what you can do is you can go to storage and you can clear cache. But if clearing cache doesn't help, you can also clear the storage completely. Most likely you will have to set up a couple of things again in the personalize section, but generally speaking it should help just fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.